Mayam Manipur Top Channel digi video amata update tawjage adudi mayam hantak Manipur film artist karana rongmai kabui dance dress code pu moirang thangjing lai haraubada lana uhankhiba adugi moi yashinnaba ama pure bagi press statement ama tholae rongmai student organization Manipur RS omdagi aduga magi manungda iriba warul si pathok sarake aduga mayam sida this has reference to the press statement of the Rongmai student organization Manipur date 2/6/2019 relating to the breaking of Rongmai Kabui dance dress code by some artists of Manipur film fraternity at Thangjing Lai Harauba Moirang on the 1st June 2019. The party have personally appeared and apologized for their mistake in the presence of the President of Rongmai Naga People Organization, General Secretary, Rongmai Naga Council Manipur, Chairman of Thaubai Naikanlong Village, Elder, prominent leader of the Rongmai and Elder of Film Fraternity of Manipur. Therefore, the matter has been brought to an amicable settlement and understanding between the artists and the Rongmai student organization, Manipur. After explaining and giving awareness about the importance of the dress code and uses of customary attires, geography, and music, etc. of Rongmai Kabui in the performance of the customary dance to the artists were encouraged for the promotion of the rich cultural and traditional heritage of Manipur. As the said matter has been settled amicably once for all between both the Rongmai student organization and artists, it essentially appealed to all the concerned civil society and organization to restrain from taking action against the involved artists as they are upcoming talent of Manipur culture of the valley and hills. Further, it is also appeal to all the concerned to delete the video and stop further posting in the social media. Sisu haire email. Duga tholok pagi magi general secretary ki signature yaure. Juna singbi yaure ma'am. Thank you.